lang kayo natin yung assignment natin sa chemistry.
Tukol nga yun saan? Ah, sa ideal gas
Oo,
law. O, tama.
Ito, wala akong boyfriend.
O, ito. Meron ako ditong extra. Ay, ito ba yun?
Oo, yun yun. Kasi sa TV.
Tara, salita natin.
Anong final answer mo?
1.195 liters po to?
Hindi mali, magkaiba tayo.
Wala, bakit?
2.6 ang akin. Yan ang sagot mo.
Wala.
Ano yung computation mo?
Ano ba yan? Nagkaka-trust issues ako dito? Ano ba kasi?
Bakit sure yung sagot ko?
Ba yan? Hirap naman ito.
Hello! Do you guys need help with solving ideal gas law related problems? Introducing PyGas Wiz, the ideal gas law calculator.
It is a Python code that calculates various parameters including pressure, volume, number of moles, and temperature. Using the values of three known parameters, the code is programmed to calculate the values of the fourth or missing parameter using the ideal gas law equation. Initially, it displays a friendly greeting to the user. Then, it prompts the user to enter the values of three known parameters, which exhibits the code's input, handling, and repetitive input prompt feature. Simple, right? But what if the user has entered an invalid input? Well, PyGas Wiz has a robust error handling feature that addresses every possible misstep. Check this
Oh
out.
guys, ito ay try nyo.
Paano ba yan gawin?
Enter parameter. Press.
Ba't ganun?
Error naman to. Paano ba to?
Pero paano hindi magkakamali? Yung pressure mo naging pressure, talaga mape-pressure ka. Letter F dapat. Oo nga, sige.
Pero na. Okay, pag mali pala yung spelling ng input.
Ano talaga, B? Pressure mo, pressure ka talaga.
Yan na nga, rerun.
Ah.
Galing pala nito eh. Enter pressure value. Ano ba yan? Error na naman.
Ano ba yan? Totoo ba yung program na yan?
Kalma, baby kalma. Ganito kasi yan. Bawal kasi mag-enter ng negative value ng pressure, volume, at number of moles. Kasi against yun sa condition ng ideal gas law. At isa pang bagay na dapat hindi nyo kalimutan, bawal mag-zero ang value ng temperature na ilalagay nyo dyan.
Ganun pala.
So yan na ha. Na-enter na namin yung parameter tsaka yung value. Mali na naman yan.
Ano ba yan, te? Hindi ko na alam yan.
Kasi naman, tingnan nyo oh, nakapaglagay na kayo ng una ng pressure. Ano, pressure uli? Tandaan nyo, bawal yan.
Here the list of various input errors that PyGas Wiz is programmed to handle. First, misspelled parameter error. Second, duplicate parameter error. And the last one is invalid parameter value error. For every misstep, the code displays an appropriate error message respectively.
Yun na, alam na namin yung rules.
When no input error is made, the program will then proceed on calculating the value of the fourth or missing parameter using the ideal gas law equation and will display the result in two decimal format right after.
Tama ako. 2.6.
Ay, oo nga. Ako pala yung mali. Oh my God.
Wow! That's one successful calculation. At the end of every successful calculation, the program offers the user the option to perform another calculation or exit the program. If the user inputs yes, the process will iterate. If otherwise, the program will be considered finished.
O ayan, do you want to perform another calculation ba? Yes or no? Yes!
Oh, tama na tayo.
At its baseline, PyGas-Whiz aims to provide chemical engineering students at Batangas State University with a cross-checking tool that they can use when answering problems which requires the application of the ideal gas law equation. Moreover, it aspires to support efficient learning in courses including general chemistry, introductory physics, and physical chemistry, where this particular equation is typically covered. Ultimately, PyGas-Whiz will improve the efficiency of solving ideal gas law related problems.
PyGas-Whiz.
The ideal gas law calculator.